It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and Olivia has just finished breakfast. She's looking at her list of things to do and wondering what she should do first. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Can Olivia relax? Has she done all the things on her to-do list yet? Let's see. She has already been shopping. She has already met Sam for a coffee, and she's already been to the dentist. But she still hasn't taken the dog for a walk, and she hasn't done yoga yet. So, it's not time to relax just yet. In the present perfect, to emphasize things which have happened or actions which happened before the time we expected, we can use the word already. When we use already, it goes after the verb have and before the past participle. She has already been shopping. She has already met Sam, and she has already been to the dentist. To emphasize actions which haven't happened that we expected to happen, or actions that we think will happen, we can use still and yet. When we use still, it goes directly after the subject. She still hasn't taken the dog for a walk. When we use yet, it goes at the end of the verb clause. She hasn't done yoga yet. To ask if something has happened before now, we use yet. Has she done all the things on her to-do list yet? And it goes at the end of the question. So, in summary, we use yet to ask the question. Has Olivia been to the dentist yet? And we use already for affirmative answers. Yes, she has already been to the dentist. For negative answers, we use still or yet. Has she taken the dog for a walk yet? No, she still hasn't taken the dog for a walk. Or no, she hasn't taken the dog for a walk yet. Although at the moment Olivia hasn't taken the dog for a walk, we expect that at some time soon in the future she will take the dog for a walk. Now think about how you would translate already, yet and still into your language. To answer the question in the negative with a short answer, we use the words not yet. Has she taken the dog for a walk? Not yet. Do we expect that she will take the dog for a walk? Yes. It's now 7 o'clock in the evening, and Olivia has already done everything on her list. So now, for the rest of the evening, she can relax. What about you? What have you already done today? Is there anything that you haven't done yet? Maybe you should make a list like Olivia.